Hello everyone. Today we are starting a very beautiful meditation. This meditation will give you insight. This will take you to deep inside you and this will give you the clarity in your life. This is a very beautiful meditation. In this meditation, you'll be going deep inside and you'll be knowing that it is always was very easy to create what you want. It is always a very easy thing to create what we want in our life. So in today's meditation, we'll be exploring the life where we can create everything the way we want. To start this meditation, close your eyes, sit comfortably, close your eyes gently and feel your breath. To start, we need to take 3 conscious breaths. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. This time, inhale with a deeper sense of peace. Inhale and exhale. Open your both the palms on your knees. Connect yourself with the universal light. Invoke the light in your both the hands. Invoke God's light on your Mooladhara chakra. Feel the connection. Look at your Mooladhara chakra with lot of love. Let your love flow from every cell to your Mooladhara chakra as you're loving a baby. Love your Mooladhara chakra as you're taking care of a small child. Send the love to every petal of your Mooladhara chakra. Slowly move on to Swadhisthana chakra. Feel the connection with God's light. Send the light to your Swadhisthana chakra. In this chakra, connect your love energy to all its petals. Feel every petal of your Swadhisthana chakra is receiving your energy, is receiving your God's energy, and your Swadhisthana chakra is glowing, is blooming. Send the love energy from every cell, from every atom of your body. Hold on for a few seconds. Now move on to your Manipur chakra. Hold your Manipur chakra mentally in your both the hands. Send the God's light to your Manipur chakra. Feel the love energy is flowing from your cells, from your every atom to this chakra, and your Manipur chakra is getting the love energy from you, and it's blooming, it's glowing. Feel the energy in every petal. Hold on for a few seconds. Now move on to your Anahat chakra. Hold your Anahat chakra mentally as you are holding a baby. You are taking care of your Anahat chakra. Send a beautiful love energy from every cell, from every petal, from every cell, from every atom to this chakra, to its all the petals. And when you send the love energy, you see that your chakra is blossoming like a beautiful flower. Feel that. Hold on for a few seconds here. Feel the energy on your Anahat chakra. Move on to your Vishuddhi chakra. This time, hold your Vishuddhi chakra with lot of love. Give a beautiful energy to your Vishuddhi chakra. Connect with your God's energy. Send your God's energy to your Vishuddhi chakra. Send your love energy to every cell. Send your love energy to every petal of this Vishuddhi chakra. Connect with your Vishuddhi chakra. Feel the love is flowing in every petal, and your Vishuddhi chakra is blossoming like a beautiful flower, very beautiful golden flower. From your Vishuddhi chakra, slowly move onto your Agya chakra. Your Agya chakra is the place of your Guru. Your Agya chakra is the place of highest energies. Connect your Guru. Connect your Guru's energy here. Invoke your Guru. Hey Master, I invoke you here. You are the guiding light. You are the source of my positivity. You are the source of all the blessings. I invoke you on my Agya chakra. Your grace, your blessings is always with me. Thank you for this. Feel the gratitude for your Guru. Hold on to this chakra for a few minutes. Feel the moments. Feel the connection with your spiritual Guru. For your spiritual angels, your love and your gratitude is growing here. Feel the peace and happiness. Now move on to your crown chakra. Your crown chakra is the place where everything you can create. This is the chakra of creation. This is the chakra of moksha. This is the chakra of all happiness and peace. Now today we'll be exploring how we can influence our subconscious mind. Look at your crown chakra. All 1,000 petals are connected to your God's energy, and your God's light is coming on the 1,000 petals. From 1,000 petals, this energy is going to every cell of your body. Every organ of your body is receiving this energy. Every chakra is receiving this energy. This is your God's light. Do namaskara. Feel gratitude for this light. Now look at your crown chakra. You are in the center, and you can see lot of beautiful golden seeds are here. Pick up one seed. Now today, you have to bless your family member. You'll be blessing everyone around you. So pick up one person. Write the name on the seed of that person. Now sow this seed in crown chakra soil. This seed, make a wish. What kind of life you want for that person? What kind of things you want for that person? Intentionally, you put all the desires of yours in that seed for that person. Let this seed hold everything what you want. Write the name of that person and put this seed on your crown chakra's golden soil. The golden energy is soaking your seed inside. Now take one more seed and write the name of the other person to whom you want to send the wish. Create the life the way you want. Imagine their life, what you want in their life, what specific things you want for them. Give all your sankalps in this seed. Put all your intentions inside this seed. Hold this seed with lot of love and tell this seed what you want for them. Now Give this seed to your crown chakra soil. Let this go inside this soil. Again, take one more seed and write the name of the person. Imagine their life, what you want for them. Imagine what you want, what you wish for them. Exactly the way you want. What specific things you want to create in their life. They are there. See them, feel them. Hold this seed with lot of love. And now, drop this seed in the soil of your crown chakra. The golden soil of your crown chakra is soaking this seed inside. Now one more seed, write the name, wish, and drop inside. Every time, whenever you are doing this process, feel your every cell is helping you to do this. Every time you are connected to your God when you are writing this, when you are feeling this, when you are putting this seed inside your crown chakra. When you are done with all the people, take one more seed. Now this time, write your name on this seed and imagine your life. Hold this seed with lot of love. Imagine what kind of physical fitness you want, your desired weight, your desired look, your skin, your hairs, every specific detail about you. Now what kind of emotional health you want? If you want patience, think about patience. If you want confidence, think about that. You are a very confident person. If you want success, think about that. You are a very successful person. Whatever you wish, put inside this seed. Your desired car, your house, your future house, the money which you want in your life, and how much you want, everything. All the details, very specific. Put all the details inside this seed. Put all the details inside this seed. Now, this is the time to put this seed inside your crown chakra. Let all the seeds go inside, deep inside in your subconscious mind. All the seeds are going deep inside. This is the golden soil. This is your God's light. This is the light of creation. This is the soil of magic. Every miracle happens here. You are connected to your subconscious mind here, and you are putting every seed very carefully. Today, you are choosing everything that you want. From now, your mind will be thinking everything according to this. Your mind will be your best friend. It will help you to create everything best in your life. Now sit for a few minutes here. Feel the connection with your God. Send the light to the soil and to all the seeds. All your golden seeds are inside and they are receiving your God's light. You are so happy because today you are creating your life the way you want. This is your garden, your beautiful garden. The garden of miracles, the garden of your choice. Every flower is your choice here. Nothing is unwanted, everything the way you want. This is your beautiful garden. Every day come here and sit for 15 minutes. Connect with your God and send this beautiful light inside every seed. Let the seeds bloom. Let the seeds open up on their right time. Tell your God, I believe that your energy will create miracles. Whatever you have wished for anyone, for your family members, this will be true. This will be true. This will be true. Say thank you to your God. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Say thank you to your ancestors. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Let your every cell speak for you. Your every cell is saying thank you to your God. Your every cell is saying thank you to your ancestors. Your every cell is saying thank you to your spiritual master. Thank you, Master. Thank you so much for everything. Now you can sit if you want. You can spend time in your garden as long as you want. Now, when you are done, slowly come back. Move your fingers, touch your face, and open your eyes with a beautiful smile. The smile of a winner, the smile of an achiever. You know your life is so beautiful because you know how you can create it. You know this is very easy to create everything the way we want. God bless you. Thank you.